Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth information about the latest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting and highly requested review for you. The FITVII Fitness Tracker, a smartwatch designed for those looking to monitor their health, especially blood pressure. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and functionality of this smartwatch, and we'll let you know if it lives up to the claim of being the best fitness tracker for high blood pressure. First, let's take a closer look at the FITVII Fitness Tracker. This sleek and modern smartwatch comes in a beautiful orchid purple color, but it's not just about aesthetics. With a 1.7-inch HD bright color display, it offers a clear and vibrant visual experience. Now, what sets this smartwatch apart is its extensive health monitoring features. It's not just a fitness tracker, it's your personal health assistant. The FITVII can monitor your heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels 24/7. Please note that these measurements are for encouraging a healthy lifestyle and are not intended for medical use. Are you struggling with your sleep? The FITVII has you covered. It offers advanced sleep monitoring, tracking your awake, light, and deep sleep cycles, and even measures blood oxygen saturation levels during the night. It's like having a sleep coach right on your wrist. For those of you who love to stay active, this smartwatch offers on-screen workout tracking. You can check your daily workouts on that vibrant 1.7-inch display. Plus, you can create customized fitness schedules and goals based on data like steps, distance, and calories provided by the FITVII Fitness Tracker. It's your fitness coach, helping you get the most out of your workouts. And for the fitness enthusiasts out there, you'll love the more than 20 sports modes that this tracker supports. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, swimming, or practicing yoga, the FITVII has you covered. Plus, it's IP68 waterproof, so you can wear it while swimming without worry. Stay connected with smart notifications. The FITVII delivers vibration alerts for all your notifications, including phone calls, texts, and social media app alerts. You can even check real-time weather updates right on your wrist. But that's not all. This smartwatch is packed with practical functions. It includes features like alarm clocks, water drinking reminders, sedentary reminders, stopwatches, timers, music control, and even a Find Your Phone feature. It's like having a personal assistant on your wrist. Don't worry about frequent charging during your busy day. The FITVII comes with a convenient USB magnetic charger and offers an impressive 7 to 10 days of battery life on a single charge. It's compatible with Android 5 and iOS 9.0 or above smartphones, ensuring you can use it with your preferred device. Now, let's briefly compare the FITVII Fitness Tracker to some other options on the market. While there are several fitness trackers available, what sets the FITVII apart is its comprehensive health monitoring features, including blood pressure and blood oxygen level tracking. It's not just about counting steps. It's about taking care of your overall well-being. Before we wrap up, let's see what some users have to say about the FITVII Fitness Tracker. Many customers are delighted with the quality and value this wearable offers. They find it to be a great watch, especially for the elderly or anyone who needs to monitor their health. However, some users have mixed opinions on aspects like battery life, accuracy, and size. In conclusion, the FITVII Fitness Tracker is a powerful smartwatch with a focus on health monitoring, making it a top contender for those looking to manage their blood pressure and overall well-being. Its combination of fitness tracking and extensive health features makes it a valuable addition to your daily life. If you're interested in purchasing the FITVII Fitness Tracker or learning more about it, we've provided a link in the description below to make your shopping experience easier. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and product insights. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.